Hi guys, welcome back. Common accounting team, all the business. The common accounting team we are seeing now. We are going gain. What is the gain? The gain is the increase the total value of assets of the business. The gain it is increase the value of assets. The gain is increase the value of assets. The current price of asset exceeded the original price, purchase price. That means what? It is, for example, today I purchase one land like a 10 lakh. Tomorrow it is exiting the purchasing price. So it is going for the more 15 lakh. So it is gain. Na? So gain is like it's not like during the time. It is any time. During the time the life useful lifetime of assets. Okay, this is the gain. For example, the land it is gain. I'm going to today purchase 10 lakh. Tomorrow it will be more. Maybe it is 15 lakh, 20 lakh. It's gain. Okay, right? Okay, guys. We will so go for the another example.